Going down to the wire. Understanding this English expression. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're delving into a fascinating English phrase, down to the wire. It's an expression that you might come across in movies, books, or even in a casual conversation. Understanding phrases like this can really bring your English to life. So, let's untangle the meaning and usage of down to the wire together. The phrase, down to the wire, refers to a situation that is very close to its conclusion, yet its outcome is still undecided or uncertain. It's often used in contexts where there is tension or suspense because the result will be determined at the very last moment. Imagine a tight race where the winner is not clear until the competitors cross the finish line. That's down to the wire in action. Understanding the origin of this phrase can help us appreciate its usage. Down to the wire comes from horse racing. In the past, a wire was strung across the finish line to help judges determine the winner in close races. So, when a race was down to the wire, it meant that the outcome was undecided until the very moment the horses crossed that wire. Now, let's see how you can use this phrase in everyday English. 1. For deadlines. If a project deadline is approaching and tasks are still incomplete, you might say, "We're working down to the wire to finish this on time." 2. For competitions. In sports or competitions, when the score is close, you can comment, "This game is going to go down to the wire." 3. For any tense situation. In any scenario where the outcome is uncertain until the last moment, like waiting for exam results, you could say, "It's down to the wire. I'll find out if I pass tomorrow." While down to the wire is quite descriptive on its own, you might hear variations like going to the wire, right down to the wire. These variations carry the same essence of suspense and a close finish. And that's a wrap on down to the wire. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase, making your English learning journey even more exciting. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about the colorful expressions that give it flavor. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll find that English is full of surprises. Until next time, keep your learning down to the wire.